Lost your favorite photos or videos from your iPhone permanently? Accidentally deleted them and now you're panicking? Don't worry, this video is your ultimate rescue plan. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we solve your biggest mobile tech issues with smart and simple tricks. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a helpful update like this one. Let me show you a quick example. I'm going to delete this photo from my iPhone, not just from the gallery, but permanently. First, I remove it from the Photos app, and then from the Recently Deleted section as well. So now, this photo is gone, like, really gone. But the big question is, how do you recover a permanently deleted photo or video from an iPhone? Well, stick around, because that's exactly what I'm going to show you, step by step. And no, we're not using any paid software or shady apps. This is a 100% legit Apple-approved method that works, as long as a certain setting is enabled. So make sure you follow along carefully. Step-by-step guide, enable iCloud Sync. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID profile at the top. Now select iCloud, and inside that, tap on Photos. Here's the key, make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on. This setting uploads all your photos and videos to iCloud automatically, even the ones you might delete later. That means, as long as this option is active, you can recover your media anytime. You can also double-check this through the Photos app settings. Scroll down, tap on Photos, and turn on iCloudPhotos here as well, if it's off. Enable shared albums too, and set the download option to automatic instead of original, for smoother access. Now here's where the recovery happens. Open Safari on your iPhone and type in iCloud.com. Sign in with your Apple ID. Once logged in, scroll down and tap on Photos. Here, you'll see all the photos and videos backed up to iCloud, even the ones you may have deleted from your iPhone. Yes, even permanently deleted ones might still be available here if the sync was on before deletion. Select the photo you want to recover. You can tap the share icon, and either copy the link, or simply download the file again. Once downloaded, open the file and tap Save to Album. And just like that, the deleted photo is back in your camera roll. So that's how you can recover permanently deleted photos and videos from your iPhone without any third-party tool. Pretty amazing, right? If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button. Drop your questions or feedback in the comments section. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more life-saving mobile tricks and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching New Tech World Order.